Peace and love, you guys. It's Danielle from Let's Talk Food, and I'm glad you're back. Are you ready to spend the day with me? Do you want to come on a picnic with me? Look what's on the menu. We have stewed sweet potato and chickpeas here with a little parsley on top from the garden. It's been marinating in coconut. Oh my goodness, so much love and abundance in this portion of the meal. That orange from the there's carrots in there and sweet potato. The orange represents the sacral chakra, which houses your creative energy. So this right here, whoever's ingesting this right here is getting a boost in their creative energy. We have gluten-free waffles here, chocolate chip waffles, by the way, topped with some fresh apples and locally made gooseberry stew. We have some banana here, topped with some raw cacao, some mangoes that I literally just got from the tree. We're eating all this food that grows right here on the land. I'm literally sitting next to the mango tree. And I'm just so grateful to have access and to be able to share this abundance with you. We have our organic maple syrup. Hey, Muvangwe. These bees, they love my food. Thank you for planting your abundance, but you gotta go. This is not for you. Thank you. Somebody that I was supposed to feed today, well, I thought I was supposed to feed. I fed her yesterday and she was just so grateful that she's like, can you donate my breakfast to someone? Because she got breakfast for today. She said, please donate my breakfast to somebody in need. And I thought about it. And I said, yo, there's always people who are hungry, and there's always people who, you know, are displaced right now that could really use the healing. And then I spoke to an angel, basically, who is actually recording this right now. She told me, she inspired me to feed another chef that I know is feeding the community. And so I'm on my way to Ital in Paradise, which is a restaurant here in St. Croix. Morning. And the chef's name is Chris. And so we are going to feed him breakfast before he feeds the community. Because I recognize that if I feed this man, it's going to give him energy to feed more than just one. Blessings tenfold. Oh my God. I can hear the reggae music playing.
I dare you fade away. You gotta fade.
Blessings! Blessings, blessings. So I made breakfast for everybody today, and then someone who I fed yesterday, she was so grateful for the food. She said, can you please donate my meal to somebody in need? And I said, okay, I'll do that. And I'm like, I could give it to anybody who's on the street, right? Or I can give it to somebody who I know is feeding the community. That's feeding more than just one mouth. She inspired me to think beyond just that one individual and think of it on a communal level, a worldwide perspective. So excited. That's banana, yes.
That's a taste of banana.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
Fade away, fade away.
It's amazing.
Oh, he said that's amazing. Words from the Rasta man. It's seal up.
Definitely.
Ah. So many blessings.
Stew right there is the bomb.
Yeah, man. Nice and spicy, man. Everything is perfect.
Oh, blessings. Gratitude.
Yes, sir.
May you be showered with blessings today.
You wanna